Imagine a new study comes out that claims the moon is round. You're likely going to nod and go about your day. But imagine a different study comes out that claims that the moon is square. You're likely not going to nod and go about your day, but rather look for flaws in the study. It's time to talk about confirmation bias and how it's affecting your company's performance data. Confirmation bias is people's tendency to seek out and interpret information that is consistent with what they already believe. This is why you find it so easy to believe that the moon is round, but are more skeptical and hesitant when you hear the study about the moon being square. In the workplace, a manager might believe that they have an employee that is highly productive, technically skilled, and a pleasure to work with. This manager may receive feedback from others in the organization that supports these beliefs, and so they're likely to believe it. But when they receive feedback to the contrary, they're likely to discount or ignore it. So how can you limit the effects of confirmation bias in your performance data? Encourage your managers to think like scientists. Your managers should seek out information that goes completely against what they already believe about that employee. And train your managers to pay extra attention to feedback that goes against their beliefs to encourage more objective performance evaluations. Want to run more objective evaluations? Culture Amp can help you reduce bias and run fair performance reviews. The platform senses who your employees work with across departments and automatically requests feedback. When it's time for managers to fill out evaluations, they'll get a more complete view of their employees' performance. See how else Culture Amp can help you build a high-performance work culture with templates, goal tracking, and much more. See the link in the description to watch the video.